Right, just a quick video, guys. This is the trading account. You can see here we had a good day on Friday. Today's Sunday, so we had a good day Friday. Thursday we were up a little bit, just a bit, and of course we had a really good day on Wednesday. We were up about $250. So that's the current profit. Of course, that's minus the we've got to take off $100 off that for brokerage, so 860 odd. The breakdown of what companies are going well and what aren't is pretty straightforward. Nothing has really done anything except for EXU. EXU, we bought roughly $600 worth of shares there, a bit over probably $6.15 or something like that, and we bought them at 3.8, and they're currently trading at 10 cents. So that's been sort of the saviour of the program so far. When I say so far, I allude to my faith that the whole market is going to be much better as time goes on. In fact, these might not really do a hell of a lot until such time as the mania phase hits, and that's going to require, you know, some substantial price increases in the base metals. See me there. Been checking out a couple of other companies. I'll show you this one here. The company there, Tyrana, looks really good. I would say it's almost a must-have. The reason I didn't buy this one is because I simply missed it. I've got no idea how. One of the things I really like about it is it's both a silver explorer and a gold explorer and miner. So now this was, I got the heads up about this one from a friend over at TF Metals, and she gave me the heads up on that one. So I think it's a really good one. So thanks for that, Silvery. Yeah, what else we got here? Silver. Can you read that? It's just not focusing properly. Silver Lake Resources. I would say that's almost a must-have, but it doesn't really fit into my basket. So it's more of a investment portfolio rather than a speculative portfolio. But look, I think it's this one's just got to go well. I'd actually be looking at this one doubling, at least doubling, but that's not what my target is. So I'm looking for much greater gains. SVL is another good one. That's just SVL. You can see here the volume and the fact that it's now actually trading. You can see the difference between the chart here, and to my way of thinking, that degree of liquidity is a very good sign. You know, I could see this one here easily just basically jumping straight up. There's no reason why it can't come up to, say, the 70-cent level at all. Like, there's just nothing, yeah, there's no resistance there for it to meet. So I think that one's sort of imminent as well. So basically the trading account is going well. It's been saved by the one good one. That's partially the reason why you buy a basket rather than just one or two, because if I had missed out on EXU, I'd be sitting here scratching my head. I haven't really done a lot of research to find out whether there's been other companies, you know, how that compares with, say, the bigger companies or some of the mid-tier miners, but I expect they've done probably better on average than what we've done. But that's because, from what I can gather, that's because the larger companies tend to do better as a ratio and as a percentage in the earlier stages of the game, where the micro caps tend to perform better in the mania phase of the game. So obviously that's what we're looking for, and you know, if we have to be held in this position for another year or so, then so be it. I'm not, you know, you can't tell the market how to behave and when. It does it all of itself. Sometimes it happens rapidly, like it did in 2011. Sometimes it happens a little bit slower. So I think this one's going to be just a huge bull run, but it will happen fairly quickly. Now, the other comment I wanted to make was Cliff High from, what's his name, Leaks. Cliff High with his webbot has said that the data sets show that silver is going to double before the end of this month. Now, it's a pretty big call, so I'm not sure whether that's going to happen or not. And he's linked silver very, very strongly with Bitcoin. For some reason, they come out somehow linked as a pair, so you can you've got timelines as well as price lines that you can actually follow between the two. So when this does this, that does that, sort of thing. So that's going to be interesting to see. And if it does double in this, if silver does double in this month, then I would expect the trading account to be, if it doubles, the trading account should easily be quadrupled. But like I say, that's just basically one man interpreting some data. So we don't know. Nice to dream, I suppose. That's all I've really got. So show you the account again. So focusing. So yeah, that's the bottom line. We started out with about, I don't know, 2100 or something I put in there, and we're now up to whatever that is, 3007. But obviously it's this. Why is that not focusing? Anyway, EXU